is Frederick Nnamdi Dipembo. I'm a smartphone business consultant. I teach you how to maximize the potentials of your smartphone to boost your productivity and profitability. If you'd love to keep watching videos from, kindly subscribe on the button below, and just beside is a bell icon. Tap the bell icon to keep receiving notifications from me. As much as there is existence of Teachable, Thinkific, and other Udemy and other e-course platforms, you can actually also use your Google Drive to set up an e-course, and this is how. While you're busy complaining about insufficient space or low memory space on your smartphone, well, you actually have 15 gigabytes of storage space that you are not using. And this is how you can utilize the 15 gigabyte of storage space on G Drive to save your media. G Drive is actually beautiful in this period of lockdown because you can work on a document or anything with your team using G Drive, and this is how you can do that. So I had to use my second email to check this out. Alright, so I'm going to toggle from the email I sent it from to my drive on the second email. About accessing the file that have been shared with you, you always get a notification that someone is sharing a file with you. So simply click on that notification. It will redirect you to your Google Drive, and you'll be able to see the file or edit it. As a business, you might always be requested to scan one document or file to send to a corporate body or whoever. Now with this hack or with this trick, you can be able to scan any document automatically, and it will appear as if you scanned it with an external scanner. And watch how you do this. Have you seen the magic? You see how bright it's appeared? So if you want to do any further adjustments, maybe you don't like the cropping, you can see crop more or do anything, but it will now look as if you did it with an external scanner. Did you also notice that the file you just scanned was also saved as PDF? Isn't that amazing? So now you can start using this feature. If you're looking for the best place you can back up your files, your WhatsApp messages, your media files and other things on your phone, and you won't lose it, then it should be your Google Drive, because nobody forgets his or her email, As far as it's on your email or your drive, it's safe. Whenever you want to access it, you can always access it. So this is how you can back up your files with G Drive. Your smartphone, FNI, in a 21-day digital lockdown, lockdown. Imagine it. I am going to be teaching you. I am going to be watching you practice what you're learning. I am going to be creating an ecosystem where you interact with like-minded people, entrepreneurs, intended or already existing entrepreneurs, that you can share your business ideas, you can share your service, you can share your products with them for the purpose of expanding your business reach. Hi, my name is Frederick Nnamdi Idemo. I am a smartphone business consultant. I teach smartphone users how to turn their smartphone addiction to a six-figure business. In the past 365 days, I've been able to grow, manage, and still running a seven-figure business with my smartphone. That means I know road, follow me. Alright, I am inviting you to be a participant of Smartphone Productivity Bootcamp with me, FNI. And I will be teaching you all of these skills, not just me alone. I'll be having guest facilitators along the line. I'll be teaching you explicitly, extensively, not snippets, not the more they look, the less you see kind of course. But we are going to be teaching you as much as you need to know that you can start or practice what you are learning instantly. And guess what? You are going to be winning a prize, a mind-blowing prize that you'll get to know soon. If you're able to impress me with what you're able to do every single day of August under the Smartphone Productivity Bootcamp. Are you excited? I am too. This bootcamp will be holding on Telegram, but our live sections will hold on Zoom. And it's going to be costing you 5,000 Naira investment fee. Does it sound big? Wait a minute. What if I tell you that when you invite your babe, your boo, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, your sister, your brother, your grandmother, your grandfather, your father, your mother, your ancestors, your village people to register with you, you would get 50% discount. Are you still thinking about missing this? Of course not. And hey, what if I also tell you that you can also get 1,000 Naira if you're able to invite a friend and his or her friend to register? So if they pay up to register, that's not your business. You still get your 1K referral bonus. Are you interested in this? If you want to learn more about the referral bonus, please WhatsApp Nancy with this number. If you still need more information about Smartphone Productivity Bootcamp, you know how to find me. Or if you don't, you can WhatsApp me. I will see you in August. There you will be showing me how productive you can be with your smartphone.